In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change stands in a universal time. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Getting new stands, known as abilities, is extremely simple. So when you first join a universal time, you should get a quest to talk to the guide. The guide is going to be located here. So you can find him by the West Park. So if needed, go to one of these fast travel spots and then travel to West Park. Once you are here, you will be able to have your questions answered. So you will have what is an ability and how do I obtain an ability. So you can learn a lot of things about abilities, which I'm not going to dive too deep into on this video, but the most important one is how to obtain. So you can get it through methods here, which are going to be crafting and then the ability gacha. So crafting requires the shards of an ability, which can be obtained from ability gacha or chests/game modes. So if you go to the West Park, you will also find these NPCs here. And if you interact with them, you can see the ability banner. So you will see the loot pool of getting specific stands or abilities, as they call it. And you can pull here to get these shards. There is an extremely small chance of getting mythic and legendary shards, so keep that in mind. You will get currency that is needed to run or to row these banners by doing quests and playing the game. So for example, one bow is going to cost this much in these specific currencies, and you can check how much you have of the shards and the coins at the left side of the screen. Then, if you talk to this NPC here, you can see the crafting options. So you can make these stands here at the right side, and you can check the materials needed to make these abilities or stands at the left. So for example, to make Cursed Child, you will need 3 Cursed Child shards. To make the hand, you will need 1 arrow and 2 the hand shards, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.